In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop Microsoft Edge from running in the background on Windows 10, specifically for version 21H2. Have you ever closed your browser but noticed that your computer still seems sluggish? It might be because Edge is quietly using system resources in the background. Fret not, because I'll guide you through the simple steps to fix that, helping your PC run smoother and faster. To begin, you'll want to open Microsoft Edge. You can do this by clicking its icon from your taskbar if it's already there, or by heading to the Start menu and searching for it. Once you've opened Edge, direct your attention to the top right corner. You'll see three dots neatly stacked. This is the Settings and More menu. Click on that, and from the drop-down, choose Settings. Now that you're in the Settings menu, look to the left-hand side. You'll see a list of options. Find the one labeled System and Performance and click on it. This is where we'll make the changes necessary to prevent Edge from using resources when it's not needed. At this point, you might have a lot of different settings available to you, and that can seem overwhelming. Don't worry though, there's an easy way to find what we're looking for. At the top of the settings page, you'll notice a search bar. Click on it and type Continue running background extensions and apps when Microsoft Edge is closed. This setting controls whether Edge keeps extensions and apps running even after you close the browser, which can drain your computer's RAM and CPU. If the setting is currently turned on, it means Edge is utilizing those resources even when you're not using it. To save that precious computing power, simply toggle this setting to Off, and that's it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully ensured that Edge will no longer be working behind the scenes when you're not actively using it. This change might seem small, but it can have a big impact, especially if you're working with an older PC or have limited memory resources. I hope this helped make your system run more efficiently. If you found this tutorial useful, please consider dropping a like, subscribing for more quick tech tips, and leaving a comment if you have any questions or feedback. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.